So in the last video, as I showed you how to connect a PPR pipe with a coupling. But have you ever faced this situation that you connect a PPR pipe with a PPR coupling, but then suddenly you want to change it without wasting the pipe? How do you change it? Come, let me show you. First, cut off the old coupling and make sure to keep the pipe straight enough in length. Step 2. Heat the T-fitting and the pipe end with the PPR hot melt machine. Step 3. Push them together and hold in for a few seconds. The new joint is ready. So it's that simple, replacing the old socket with a new T using the same old pipe. Simple, easy, strong and reliable bond. Choose Sam UK for the best quality pipes and fittings and more such interesting products.